Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can create folders and subfolders for the default modules using Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM. I'm assuming that you have already installed our extension. If not, please watch the installation video and install the extension from the Zoho Marketplace first. Now I'm in the Settings section of Zoho CRM. Under Marketplace, click on All. Then click on Installed. Here, you can see Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM because I've already installed and set up the extension. In the Module Settings section, you can see 5 different default modules. These modules are Leads, Contacts, Accounts, Deals, and Campaigns. You can also see the default folder structure here. This means that whenever a record is created in any of these 5 modules, a folder will also be created automatically in OneDrive. If I go to my OneDrive, I can see the Easy OneDrive EXT folder, which was created by the extension during installation. Inside this folder, we have 5 folders for the 5 respective modules: Leads, Deals, Contacts, Campaigns, and Accounts. Now, as you can see, we already have a folder structure. We can change this structure if needed. For example, if I want to change the folder structure for the Leads module, I can click inside the folder structure field. Then I will press Shift and 3 on my keyboard to select a CRM field. First, I will select First Name. Then I will add a hyphen. Again, I will press Shift and 3 and select Last Name. Now, let's also create subfolders. I will add a subfolder named Inbox. Then I will add another subfolder named Invoices. Inside the Invoices folder, I will create another subfolder named 2024. Now I will save the settings. Next, I will go to the Leads module and create a new lead. Here, I will enter the first name and last name. Then I will click Save. Now, let's go back to OneDrive. Inside the Leads folder, we should see a new folder created using the first name and last name. Inside that folder, we should see the 2 subfolders, Inbox and Invoices. Inside the Invoices folder, we should also see the 2024 subfolder. This folder structure was created automatically based on the settings we configured earlier. So, whenever a new lead is created, these folders and subfolders will be created automatically in OneDrive.